olunaku olwaleero of course basereebu bangi nnyo batukubye laavu n'abaagala baabwe abaagalwa baabwe n'obubaka bwabwe buli omu n'abadde Valentine we buli omu ayina obubaka bw'atadde nga bayita ku social media handle zaabwe yadoza tugenda kubalagako basereebu baffe webasazeewo okujaguza Valentine buli omu n'omwagalwa we very let's enjoy this one. Oyo bamuyita Done Musikapata oyo Bad Black ne Chaliwe. Yes, that's Bad Black. Winnie Nwaja abikoze bwomu ye taagala kumanya ki. Nabatanzi naye abadde byo tetumulabye na mwagamba she's been smart. Then of course the ghetto president ye bwatyo bwabikoze bwalabise ne mukyala we obubaka buubwo. Soko posing emukaawo ebimu tubisomemuko tusome ku luzungu very Bobby Wine, very. Leka kansomera abantu obubaka buno oluzungu twayitayo ko. Yes, dear Bobby Kyagulanyi, I love you on my own behalf and on behalf of my ancestors and descendants too. You're the best thing ever happen to me, and you know that. Happy Valentine's, comrade Honey. Yeah, Bobby Wine. You know, their love story is an inspiration to Ugandans. Most of them, muchimanyi bulungi nnyo, abayimbi batandise n'okuyimba njagala mbeere babi nga gwe Bobby wange, all those kind of songs. So their love story is an inspiration. Kati tugende maaso, n'agenda maaso ne Bobby Kyagulanyi n'aweereza obulamu. Bobby Wine is seven. I do not wonder anymore why I get intoxicated by simply breathing you in. Simanyi lwaki nkola ntya intoxicated bakiyita kya mu Luganda bannaye ntamiira oba ebidaga bimpitirirako buli wenkussa nenkuyingiza mu mubiri gwange. You are my favorite fragrance. Gwe kawowo akasinga mu bulamu bwange. My garden of red roses, ennimiro y'ebimuli byange ebya rose. And the buzzing bees there is. You are my morning breeze. My full moon reflecting on the calm lake waters. You are my resting place. And I'm anything. I'm all yours. Happy Valentine. Bana we go kuwana kubachala. Bana babi na yate nawe chisusiza nnyo. Omukazi wange batonna bwesta sanga bubaka buno mama. Bachikaba. This beautiful message. As somebody told you this today. Okay, that is how, you know, the ghetto president, Mr. Bobby Wine, celebrated. Katulabo mulala. That is MC n'omwagalwa we bwe batyo basazeewo omukyalo ono Caroline Maka abasinga badde babusabuusa omukwano gwabwe but Kats avuddeyo ng'akyogera era obubaka bwe buno obubadde bwa leero. Kats jjukira yali bbawa fiye era alinamu omwana naye ku mulundi guno for the first time okuva we yakyawagana ne fiye I confess his love to somebody people didn't expect should. But this is his message anyway. Thanks for picking up. First, thanks a lot for picking up when I was almost dead. It's 3 years, and yet despite our downs, you brought joy and happiness in my life. You made life worth living. Happy Valentine's Day. Now, Kats is HIV positive. You know, anybody else should have cast him on the edge. Anybody else should have cast him on the edge. Should have stigmatized him. But this incredible strong woman, Gwebaita Caroline Maka, choosing her, and in the midst of those hard times, Nagamba, I will live with you. So I'm celebrating in that special manner. Bubaka Bubo Bulala Spice Dana, can I be your Valentine? Who? Okay, Sharita Mutawo yoleto amumanyira naye afunyeyo omukyalo mulungi yafunayo musajja ababadde batugobera just a couple of days ago twabalaga embaga ye Sharita Mutawe abadde happy nnyo ku Valentine okuva etwamwanjula twakola okwanjula ndoza yibadde Valentine esoose modini kiki ono yeto tulabye era tutumulabanga ko tetunakakasa no ne bano bajalimu olunakyeyombekede bano Spice Dana until you unveil to us your somebody okyali nakyeyombekede but Sharita njagala nnyo kwa Sharita njagala kuwulira Sharita bamwanjudde omwaka guno njagala kulaba obubaka bwe bubadde butya mbusomera abantu as we proceed with the story. Okay, Alima Namakula, I'm ready for love. I have for you all. Happy Valentine's. Okay, that's a generic one. Katwabe, Anyomlala. Very. Okay, Anyono. Julie, hey! Ye Julie yali owangume. Yali Julie angume kati yavula Julie Hart Sekajugo. Yali mchala Julie angume. Yamana na moving forward. Try to musondera ne kumbaje jibuvudeka. Try to musondera ko. Na Valentine bwatu bwajizakuza. Oh, yomumanyi nawe. Bad black, the bad girl herself. Ne kachalike mwana. Kachalike babyekola byonna bichimu everything there so. Okay, and Oyomumanyi now the undisputed one. I think that's my couple of this Valentine. Dumuna ne Kabako, the man himself. Chino chibebichi. Okay, Florence napija funo musajja. Omutwanjulide. Tukoye. Funo. I know you're watching. Fulino musajja sebo nkotijise. Dakanda babula soko dayo kubwa Florence I see. What this beautiful beginning girl named Betty, Diana Vega opposing one to our Happy Valentine's Day, dear. Florence Carbo. Yeah. Ombo. This is the best you could give me. The posing out. Everyone understands love differently, but all in all, love is love. It is done effortlessly, genuinely, selflessly, and with no expectation. Happy Valentine's Day, my lovely ones. Club obligato kare. Badamanyi. Jukirona, abadde song as a neruasa. So I really needed to know how she has. But then jagala bide wow. Happy Valentine's Day nimuro. Di over Kaguta over whoever. Okay, Honorema, does she make news anyway? Yes, Valentine almost every day. Today is special to us, the 7 years, not because it's Valentine, but Rerunaku Zadi Reate Bagoro. We poor. Are you sure? Because in Tiao, Nchente Geza, Gado Ssereebu, Nchente Geza, Anti, or Nchente Geza, Anti. Chentegeza, okay. Chentegeza to Rerunaku, Ompira, Wegwayingira, Mkatimba, Wetu. Yee! Can't go now and not to give it up. But anyway, we are happy for you, Rema. Namakula. Who else is there? Very. Yasemba to get a maso. Okay, Oyo and Vinka. And anacheyombekedde oyo naye tetunategeera buwe no naye nacheyombekedde no oyo yayinayo ani oyo nacheyombekedde kimulala oyo. Okay. Thank you so much for celebrating love specially. Today is Valentine. It's a freestyle show. Sagala nnyo tubitekemu sophistication ate naye nga abafuzi ba boda bempisekawo nga batwesonze mu likola ky'amaanyi nnyo nabaddeko ne Chameleon. Walwe Namuana Nemugamba, he's my greatest legend today. Jackson Mwana. Thank you so much for appreciating me. Communal respect in every aspect. I don't take back my words. You're one of those greatest. I think I'm proud and to Waru Mchala Gobaita Esen Cash Madam. Ali South Africa Mchalono. The unconditional love Jakua, the way she loves you. She's a married woman. If I were you, I would love Chameleon because someday it's going to be no more. Someday is going to be no more, and you will wish you celebrated him. So when I reflected to those words, no. I tell when I could take it in and take it until literally work. Very. Eyo katuveyo katono nyo.